Hello teachers, welcome to the new video of Teachment. In this video, we are going to talk on how to use Teachment app as a teacher. Go to App Store and type Teachment. Tap on the Teachment icon and click on Get button. It is a very light app and gets installed quickly. After the installation process is complete, you need to just click on the Open button. First section will be which language do you prefer. Select the appropriate language according to you. The entire app is available end-to-end in 11 languages. Now click on Continue button. After that, app will ask your mobile number. Use OTP to verify your mobile number. App will auto-detect the OTP and take you to the next section, which is Tell us about you. Just click on Teacher icon and type your name. And if you want to add profile picture, just click on the text and choose the image from gallery. Then finally you can click on Continue button. Type your class name, subject, and the purpose of using the Teachment app, either for tuition classes, school classes or hobby classes. And then you need to click on Create Classroom. Our classroom is created. Now you can invite students by clicking on the Invite Student button. A default message will come with all the details. You need to just share this message with each and every student through any of the platform. After the student have clicked on the enrollment link, you need to go on Students tab and approve the enrollment request of each and every student. Now students are with you, classroom is ready, you are good to go for your first live session. Click on Go Live. You can adjust mic, video and recording option as per your convenience. Then click on Go Live button. You can just change the camera now and mount your mobile on tripod like this and take your first live online class. You can adjust the camera angle as per your convenience. Or you can simply click on Share and open Whiteboard. You can also connect Pentap for longer duration of sessions. Click on this icon and save. All the content on the whiteboard will be automatically saved. Then you need to click on Close and Close anyway. Then you can click on Share and Share PDF. Select the desired PDF. You can annotate all the important points. You can also highlight all the concepts, and if there are errors you can also remove them from the eraser. Again you need to click on Save button. The entire annotated PDF will be automatically saved in the study material section. Then you need to click on Share and Share Screen, Share Image. These options can also be used to teach each and every student. Then there are options in Options tab. Then you can click on Start Recording. The recording of the entire session will start automatically. Student controls, these are some master functionalities which are available to students, like allow students to speak, to chat and to check the video. Click on Settings tab. If you and your students are facing any bandwidth issues, then you can just click on low quality mode and then less MB data will be consumed for the live session. Then you can click on Live Poll section if you want to have live poll with your students. For this you need to click on Share and Share PDF. Simply select the MCQ question according to you and then click on Options, Live Polls. Select the duration of the poll. Let's take an example, it's 30 seconds. Select the correct answer, that is A, and launch the instant poll. All the students who are part of the class can answer this poll. Now if you want to stop the poll, then you can just simply click on Stop Poll. And then you can also check out the leaderboard of the poll. All the students who have answered the question in the leaderboard will be displayed. Then you can click on Close and Close anyway. If you want to mute each and every student, then you need to just simply click on Mute All. If you want to chat, then click on Chat and you can type the default message you want to share with each and every student. Then if you want to exit the class, again there are two options. If you want to leave the class alone, then you need to click on Leave Class. If you want to end the class for each and every student, then you need to click on End Class for all. After the class is ended, you can use various tabs on the dashboard. Students tab. Here all the students who have enrolled and requested for the enrollment will display. Recordings tab. All the recordings of the session will display here. Chat. Here teachers can communicate with the students, and by clicking on the chat section they can type any of the message for each and every student. Notice board. All the important updates which teacher wants to give the students can be displayed here, like no class on Monday. Assignments tab. It will have all the assignment which you have created for the students as their homework or classwork. And last is study material. This tab will have each and every document which you have created in the live class, whether it's annotated PDF or digital whiteboard content. Now we will come to the test tab. Click on create test. The questions are of two types: MCQ with multiple options, subjective means the questions with detailed answers. Choose your criteria and type the topic, description part, start date and start time. If you want to set the test date and start time, simply do it from the options tab. Test duration, number of questions, marks per correct answer, and penalty for incorrect answer. Then click on Save button. Add question paper. Choose the format in which you want to upload the question paper. Click on Continue and try now. Automatically the document will be fetched by the app. Question 1 will have correct answer A, 2 will have correct answer B, C, D, E, right, and so on and so forth. You can also check out the answer sheet which is created parallelly with the work. When all the answers are selected, you need to just click on the Save button, and through this each and every question will be saved with its respective right answer. Now the classroom section is complete. You can simply click on the back button and come to the home page. Here if you want to create another classroom, just simply click on plus create classroom button and you can have as many classes you want for any set of students. If you want to use Teachmeet over your laptop or desktop, just log into Teachmeet web from here, scan QR code and the web version of the Teachmeet app will open. Next section on the app is Grow section, where you can create your free website. Click on Create Your Own Website for Free button. Type the name by which you want to create your website. App will check the availability of the domain, and if the domain name is available, you can simply click on Continue button. Then you need to fill all your basic details like tell us about you. Just click on Add, type about me, years of experience, city, and subject you teach. Then click on Save and Continue. You can also add classroom here. Just click on Add, save and go back. If you want to add your demo videos, just click on Add. You can also share the link of your YouTube video here and then click on Save and Continue. Then again you can click on the Preview button. You can check the preview of the website which you have created right away. For example, we are sharing a website of a teacher which you can check has each and every detail about the teacher, compliments given to him, classroom, YouTube videos and different statistics. Then you will come to the Market Yourself area. Here digital templates are available for you. You can simply click on this section and pre-filled templates with your information will be available. You can just simply share these templates with your network for the batch announcement and other important updates. Second option is business cards. Here again you can find pre-filled templates with your information which you can share across different platforms. And the third option is festival greetings. Beautiful greetings will appear as per the latest festival on the calendar and you can share these creatives directly with your students. Next section is social. Here all the teachers can connect with each other, but if the teacher has taken the class of at least 2 hours on the app, then the teacher is eligible for posting the content. If the eligibility is not fulfilled, then teachers can just scroll the app and like the content of other teachers. Last section is account. Click on Manage Institute. In case you are a part of an institute like school or college or a large coaching center, you can link Classroom with your institute management ID. Your payment profile, you can simply link your bank account or UPI ID here for the fees collection part. And if you have any doubts related to the working of the app, simply go to the help and support to connect with the Teachment team. Buy online education merchandise. Here Teachment has created best online teaching tools which teachers can simply check out by clicking on this tab. And finally, if you want to change the language of the app, just simply click on the change button and select the desired language. Your app will convert into the particular language which you have selected. This is it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to subscribe our channel.